What are plate tectonics? In order to fully understand it, let's go back and meet Harry Hess, a genius geologist who was the very first to discover about these plate tectonics. He had a theory about the motion of our Earth's crust around 1945, however, no one believed him until the 1960s. These plate tectonics are carried along by the outer mantle, which is just below the Earth's crust. How these massive lithospheric plates move can have a huge impact on the Earth. Where these plates meet are called the boundaries, and there are three kinds. Divergent boundaries occur when two plates are moving away from each other and new crust is being formed. The space between the two plates become a large rift, like the East African Great Rift Valley, or if they are under the ocean, is known as seafloor spreading. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is an example of this seafloor spreading. Convergent boundaries occur when two plates are moving towards each other. If one plate is denser than the other, usually the oceanic plate, they sink underneath the other, which is called a subduction zone. Due to the pressure and high heat, the crust underneath melts and forms into a magma. This magma rises up to the surface and a volcano is formed, thus making it a volcanic arc. An example of this is the Ring of Fire, a bunch of active volcanoes that surrounds the Pacific Ocean. Another convergent boundary is when two of the same plates crashes to one another, resulting in a massive mountains, such as the Himalayas located in India. Transform boundaries occur when two plates are sliding past each other in opposite directions. This creates a fault line in the Earth's crust, and as they rub against each other, they create pressures and friction, resulting in massive earthquakes. A real-life example of this is the San Andreas fault line, which is one of the biggest fault lines in the world. Because of these plate movements, Earth was able to turn from one giant continent called Pangaea to the continents that exist in the present and will continue to shift into the endless future.